Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm going to show you the video on one of the most important and interesting topic, that how we can use copyright match tool on our YouTube channel in the Studio Beta. To check who is stealing your content from your channel, almost all of the YouTubers have been given access to this copyright match tool. To access this copyright match tool, you need to simply go to your YouTube channel, then you need to go to the Studio Beta. Then this interface will be shown to you like this. On the main menu screen of the Studio Beta, on the left side of the screen, you have to simply scroll it down. There you will see copyright option. You need to simply click on copyright. So this will be the main interface for this copyright match tool. From this copyright match tool, we can even send messages to other channels to send them requests to remove our content from their channel. We can even send them copyright strike. In that case, YouTube will review and will take action to that channel and send them a copyright strike. This is the condition of my channel. These guys have stolen my content without my permission. They have stolen 100% of my content. To figure out this problem, I have sent them messages to remove my content from their channel. If I will not get any response from them, then there will be a last option left remaining for me, which I don't want to do, but I need to do it to give them a copyright strike. This feature is really interesting. If you have not tried, you must try and check who is stealing your content. Thank you very much for watching this video.